Let's make some easy and delicious rice and peas, Jamaican Sunday best. So to start, we're going to boil the peas, and to the pot we're going to add some garlic. After the peas is soft, we're going to go ahead and add our natural coconut milk. Once we add the coconut milk, we're going to allow the coconut milk to boil up for about 5 minutes. After the coconut milk is boiled, you're going to see it producing all of that oil on the top, that nice stuff, right? If you want to, guys, you could go ahead and add butter at this point, but there's no need to add butter because it produces the oil on top. To season the pot, I'm going to add some French thyme. Guys, comment down below and let me know if that's what it's called, because guys, it's been quite some time I hear people call it French thyme, and that me grew up I hear my mother call it French thyme. And I also had some fresh thyme, some fresh scallion, and also some blended green season. To the pot, I'm gonna also add some salt to taste. I'm also going to add some crushed pimento seeds. I like to crush the pimento seed because I don't like biting on them in the rice, right? Afterwards, allow the pot to boil up just a little bit so we can get all that flavor extracted from our herbs. And as you can see, that oil is produced on top, right? Natural coconut milk we are talking about, guys, right? With delicious mouth watering, yeah, better than restaurant style, yes, right there. So we wash the rice and then we're going to place it into the pot. Once the rice is in the pot, you're just going to stir to distribute the rice and peas evenly. Afterwards, we're going to turn the flame on very low, on your lowest flame, and allow the rice grains to steam until fork tender. You know, we can't forget the scotch bonnet pepper. And this is our delicious and authentic Jamaican style rice and peas. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share, and subscribe.